Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got over $95 worth of products completely free and actually made a couple dollars buying it all at CVS this morning. I will also be announcing the giveaway winner in this video. But first, if you guys are not following me over on my Facebook page, my Facebook can be found at facebook.com/savingwithchristina. I also have an Instagram account that is Save with Christina. Oftentimes I will post deals to those accounts a little bit faster than I will be able to make a video. So if you want to follow me there, that is where you can find me. All right, so the giveaway winner. Last week during my CVS video, I posted my giveaway, which is a $20 gift card to either Target or Walmart. I took all the qualifying entrants, put them into an Excel spreadsheet, and did a random number generator to come up with the winner. And Rachel Blanks, congratulations, you are the winner of the giveaway. You have 48 hours to contact me via email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. Let me know where I can send your gift card, as well as if you want a Target or a Walmart gift card. All right, guys, so let's dive into the CVS deals. The weekly ad started today, December 13th, and runs through Saturday, December 19th. I'm also including a Google Doc that you can find in the video description below that will give you a list of all of these items, what the deal is, what I paid, what coupons I used. All right, but first, I grabbed these Wet n Wild gift sets. These are priced at $4.99 each. And when you buy one, you will get $4 and extra care bucks back, making them just 99 cents each. There is a limit of 3, so you can get as many as 3 and still get the $4 and extra care bucks back for each one. I also had a $4 off a $10 Wet n Wild purchase CRT. So I paid a total of $10.97, but I got $12 and extra care bucks back, making this a $1.03 moneymaker. The next makeup deal that I did was on the Maybelline. When you scan your card at the red machine this week, you will get a $5 off any Maybelline purchase CRT. And these Maybelline eyeshadows are priced at $4.39 each. Maybelline is also on promotion this week for buy 2, get $5 and extra care bucks back. So if you buy 2 of these at $4.39, you'll pay $8.78, but you have that $5 CRT, making it just $3.78, but you'll get $5 and extra care bucks back. So this becomes a moneymaker as well, $1.22 moneymaker on the Maybelline eyeshadow. If you can't find the eyeshadow in your store, the Maybelline Baby Lips products are also one of the lower priced Maybelline products. And the next makeup deal that I did was on the CoverGirl products. This week they're buy 2, get $7 and extra care bucks back. But I also had a spend 20, get $8 off CRT. So $8 off when I spent $20. So I grabbed 3 different products to get me to that $20 mark. I grabbed 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend eyeliners priced at $6.99. And I grabbed 1 of the CoverGirl concealers priced at $7.79. So my total before coupons was $21.77. I had the 8 off 20 CRT. I had a $3 off any one eye purchase from the December 6th Smart Source. I had $3 off any one face product from the December 6th Smart Source. And then I had $2 off any one eye product digital coupon. So my total for all of these after those coupons was $5.77, but I got $7 in extra care bucks back, making this free plus a $1.23 moneymakers. That was a fantastic deal. And don't forget, for every $30 you spend in beauty products, you get $3 in extra care bucks back, and that's an ongoing deal. So for this haul, I actually hit beauty twice, so I will get $6 in extra care bucks back. All right, so no CVS haul would be complete without a oral care deal. So this morning I grabbed 2 of these Crest Pro Health. They are buy 2, get a $3 extra care buck back. They're priced at $2.99 each. So 2 of them will cost you $5.98. But there's a $3 off 2 digital coupon that you can clip to your card. So you'll pay $2.98 and you'll get $3 in extra care bucks back, making this free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. All right, so the last deal that I did was the spend 30, get 10 deal. Okay, so I first grabbed 3 of the Pantene shampoo and conditioners that are on sale, 3 for $12 this week. I had a $5 off any 3 Pantene digital coupon. I then grabbed 2 of the Herbal Essences Bio Renew. These are a little bit more expensive at my store. They are $7.79 each. So when I bought 2 of them, that was $15.58. But I had a $4 off 2 digital coupon clipped to my card. I also had a $4 off an $18 hair care CRT. So of course that came off for purchasing all of these items. The last item that I grabbed to get me to the $30 were these Tide Pods. These are priced at $4.94, but there is a $2 digital that you can clip to your CVS card. All right, so before coupons, my total was $32.52. After coupons, my total was $17.52. I got $10 in extra care bucks back, and I will hit beauty one time for purchasing these items. So that's like paying $4.77 or just 79 cents per item. So that was a really great way to do the spend 30, get 10 deal. Now, like I said, because of all the beauty products purchased in this haul, I will actually hit beauty twice, which makes this completely free plus a $1.98 moneymaker at CVS this week. So really awesome deal. And these make for cute gifts at Christmas time or something that you can donate for an older kiddo. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. I hope you are having a fabulous Sunday. Stay tuned for my Walgreens video coming soon. Hopefully I will get that posted for you guys tomorrow. And of course, I will have my Walmart Wednesday video posted this coming Wednesday. Thanks, guys.